Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily transfer files from one Android device to the other using SendAnywhere app. So pretty much, this is one of the best, easy and quick way to share unlimited files from one device to the other. And before we jump straight into it, make sure you drop a like on the video and also subscribe to our channel if you're new. And having said all that, let's jump straight into it. So all you need, navigate into your Play Store. So type in SendAnywhere on both phones and then go ahead and download it. Once you're done downloading, go ahead and open it up on both phones. So once you open it up, as you can see right here at the bottom, you have options to send, receive, history, and then my link. And then at the top, you have options for files. So you have your recent files, photos, videos, audio, app, and very many other files. So to send, it's pretty much easy. So all you need to do, go ahead and select the photos or any kind of files that you want to send. So I'm going to select photos. So once I'm done selecting my files, I'll have this option right here. I'll have the option to send. So go ahead and tap on send. So I'll be sending onto this device right here. A 6-digit code will be generated. And once it's generated, go ahead and grab your other phone. And then go ahead and tap on receive. So once you tap on receive, they'll request you to enter that digit, and then go ahead and enter the 6-digit code 301708, and then tap on done. And once you tap on that, your files will be pretty much sent. As you can see right here, they're showing you completed. So there are 5 files. Go ahead and tap on that, and as you can see, these are all your files. And then the other interesting thing about this app, you can tap on my link, and with my link you can go ahead and select your files or your photos, could be videos, and then once you're done, tap on my link, and then you can create a link that you can easily send onto your other friends that they can use to download all those files that you've sent. Only that you need to sign in for you to create that link, and that's it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and are able to send any files, whether it be photos, videos, apps across any of your devices, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, make it a point to subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I release new content like this. Thanks for watching. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.